Hello and welcome to this FortiADC video on dynamic host assignment with LDAP attributes. FortiADC supports role-based access to the AAG portal through access policies, where user groups are bound to their corresponding AAG portals. For more granular access control, such as per-user backend host mapping, FortiADC provides dynamic app bookmarks. By leveraging variables derived from LDAP attributes, a single bookmark can dynamically direct each user to their assigned backend host. For example, when user Tom clicks the research server bookmark, FortiADC routes the traffic to Tom at University Local. When Mary clicks the same bookmark, FortiADC instead connects her session to Mary, University Local. Let's walk through the steps to configure FortiADC to achieve this. The first step is to add an attribute on the LDAP server. In this example, we assume the LDAP attribute display name contains values such as Mary and Tom. To enable per-user server differentiation, ensure that this attribute uniquely identifies each user. The next step is to embed the LDAP attribute variable into the host field of the app bookmark. FortiADC then dynamically constructs the target host name based on the authenticated user's LDAP attributes. To ensure that dynamically constructed host names, such as Mary University Local, resolve correctly, you must add the appropriate DNS entries and then reference the DNS server in the application profile. In this example, we use the username attribute to demonstrate a per-user access scenario. However, this mechanism is highly flexible. You can reference any LDAP attribute that suits your directory design to achieve different access behaviors, such as assigning users to departmental servers using attributes like department, OU, or division, routing users to regional data centers based on attributes like location or country, providing role-specific backend services based on attributes such as title, employee type, or job code, mapping users to project-specific environments using attributes like project ID or team name. Thanks for watching.